Pete Edochie has done another one. No wonder so many people call him Grand Wizard. My people, it has happened again. Hey! Thank God for Queen May Edochie's legal representative. Thank God for the fame that is standing for Queen May in this divorce case. If not, I wonder what this family would have done to this particular divorce case against Queen May. Far back ago, they have been trying their possible best to twist this case, but all their effort was to no avail. Just because Queen May Edochie, as if she knows what is going to happen in this case, use a strong Femi Falani. Her lawyer is one of the strongest lawyer in Nigeria who doesn't lose a case. He is a son. He doesn't handle kai cases. My people, in as much as is this man that is handling this divorce case in the court of law, Edochie's family are still trying their possible best to see how this matter is being twisted or this matter is being removed from the courtroom. They have tried to twist it, it's not working. Now their intention is to make sure that the matter did not end in the courtroom. Hey, this next court sitting is really shaking Edochie's family. Yul Edochie himself is in fear. What will be the outcome of the next court sitting 10th November? Because 3 of them has been mandated to be present in the next court sitting. All of them know the issue that will be discussed in the next court sitting, and if care is not taken, kasala will burst in the life of Yul Edochie. Jujekwesu's own is a no-go area because right now the Edochie family and Yul Edochie are disassociating themselves from the issue of Jujekwesu romancing mommy water. Hey, hey. My people, it is getting hotter. The tension is in Edochie's family and they are doing underground work. I said they are doing underground work to see that this matter did not end in the courtroom. That is why you see Pete Edochie begging Queen May to please accept his son back. And Queen May is not giving them a good response. A response that is suitable for them is not coming out from Queen May. What they want to hear from Queen May, they are not hearing it from Queen May. Pete Edochie has also scheduled a meeting and had so many meetings, several meetings with May Edochie's elder brother in order to see that Aligwe family talk to their daughter to reconcile with his son, Yul Edochie. But the last thing Aligwe's family told Pete Edochie was to see them in court. Last thing Queen May told them was for them to see in court that the matter is already in the court. May Edochie also told them some times ago that there is nothing like reconciliation, that this marriage is irreconcilable as long as the life of his son Kamblichukwu will not be restored. My people, come and hear story. Just because Queen May answered their call, but her response was, let's see in court. Edochie family has changed the narrative. My people, May Edochie's legal team receive a letter from Yul Edochie's lawyer coming from court, duly signed from Ikeja High Court. They were shocked at the letter they received from Yul Edochie's legal team. My people, I wonder what these people are planning for this next court sitting coming up on 10th November 2025. But guess what? We are ready. May Edochie is ever ready. So at the point of receiving this letter from Yul Edochie's legal team, May Edochie's legal team was annoyed with Queen May. They say, what? How can Queen May take a decision of this nature without their consent? And they are preparing heavily, strongly, equipping themselves with a lot of evidences that is in their hands for the next court sitting, because they are working towards justice for their client, being Queen May. So on the receipt of the letter, they were not happy. They reached out to Queen May instantly without wasting time, asking Queen May, how can you take such a decision without their consent and without even letting them know that this is her decision? Queen May was surprised. What is it? I have not taken any decision for anything apart from the one that is being discussed in the courts. My people, come and hear story. Before I continue this gist, I would love to welcome you all to watch this video. I greet you all and I welcome you all back to our channel, Sjemere. Please, if you have been watching our videos and you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, Sjemere, I beg on you. Please, my lovely fans, click on subscription button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Sjemere, like and share our videos, and also on your notification button so that you will be notified when next we drop a new update. And for those of you, my wonderful and amazing followers and subscribers, my returning subscribers, God bless you all. I pray this year 2025, your own will never spoil in Jesus' name. Amen. So my wonderful and amazing people, something happened. You see this family, if you are not smart enough, they will rubbish you. If Queen May did not go into a strong lawyer, if Queen May did not hand over this court case to a strong faith, these people would have twisted this matter all these years, or maybe the matter would have ended and withdrawn from the court of law. But guess what? Her legal representative, gallant well, is not this one in the social media. That social media lawyer, that is Gwagwa lawyer. No. That one cannot even be in the court. My people, according to the information that got into our table, as it was alleged, Pete Edochie tried and do this without the consent of Queen May. But guess what? According to the gist, at the point of reception of this letter from Ikeja High Court down to Queen May Edochie's legal representative, and the letter reads, according to the gist, that this matter, this case is being closed, that both the petitioner and the petitioned have decided. Did you hear the word? Both of them have decided. Both families have decided. Aligwe family and the Edochie family have decided to settle this matter out of the courts. Both of them has agreed on that. To settle this husband and wife, Yul Edochie and Mrs. Mary Yul Edochie, in their family. So, because of this, they discontinue with the court case. So, when this letter got to the hand of May Edochie's legal representative, the man was mad. He reached out to other lawyers working with him that this is the letter coming from the court. How can my clients take this decision without my consent? That was his question. The man picked up his phone and called Queen May and told Queen May that this is urgent. How can you do such a thing without letting them know? Without letting them know so that they will prepare on that direction by the next court sitting. How can they get such information from the other party through the court without hearing from her? Queen May said, what? That you don't understand what they mean. Which decision? There is nothing like any other decision apart from the one that has been discussed in the courtroom. They now told her, come in person, come by yourself, that they want to see her in the office immediately. My people, Queen May drove to the firm, to the office of her lawyer. Shocking, they showed her the letter. Queen May said, never. That such thing has not been discussed with anybody, has not been agreed with anybody. They only call her, begging her for reconciliation, and she said no, nothing to be reconciled. And they disturbed her more. She told them, let's see in court. So he has not reconciled with anybody. Neither has she agreed to withdraw the case from the court. And she can never withdraw the case from the court. That the marriage is over, it is over. So let the court do the needful. Hey, Weleke. The lawyer say, what? So who drafted this letter? She don't know. She is just seeing this from them. They move into action to investigate on how this letter was drafted and submitted to the court and how it got to them. They now went into the signatories of the particular letter. They find out that the name of the judge that signed the letter is not even the judge handling this particular case in the Ikeja High Court. Don't be too faster than your shadow in this planet Earth. And don't think that you can use Magu Magu way because you got connection to bring another down. No, it doesn't happen. Whosoever God is involved in her dealings, God will continue to do it to the end. So, my wonderful and amazing people, that was when they begin to suspect the letter. When they find out that the judge that signed that letter is not the judge handling this particular case, they now reach out to the court to find out if the judge has been changed. Nothing like that. They now begin to throw questions, making consultation, making calls, and they find out that Yul Edochie's new lawyer drafted the letter according to what Pete Edochie told them. You got a point. So they now send the letter with connection. They got to that judge, and the judge, they explained to the judge agreed with them and signed for them. So they cannot act on the letter without submitting the letter to the court and the court sending the letter to the opposite party. My people, that was when Kasala busted. They begin to throw questions upon question to the lawyer. The lawyer now let them know that it comes from from his client and the father of the client. That is what they told him that they have agreed. So May Edochie told them that there is nothing like agreement with anybody. That all those things did not happen. That her family never told her anything. The only thing they let them know that they came begging and they told him that they cannot except when they hear from their daughter. My people, May Edochie reach out to her elder brother, telling the elder brother what the lawyer invited her today to show her. The elder brother said, what? That is just this, the father-in-law, former father-in-law, ex-father-in-law. Pete Edochie reached out to him and he told him that the matter is in court. Let's see in court. That's all. The way they went to do this underground job, believing that it's going to work for them, because they are afraid of what will happen in the next court sitting. My people, on that note, May Edochie's legal representative, they carried their pen and wrote their own, submitted their own to the court immediately, instantly. And they said, according to the gist, nothing like agreement between our client to the opponent. The matter still remains the way it is in the courts. No withdrawal, no cancellation, no suspension till the next court sitting, 10th November, and they submitted it back. So when their own letter got to the court, you can imagine, they looked into it, waiting for the judge who is handling the letter, handling the case to stamp it. The judge has not come as at the point this particular information got to our table. So right now, according to the gist, the matter still remains the way it is in the court until after the next court sitting. Because in the next court sitting, you will know the next line of action and the next day of court sitting, or even if the case will be finalized that day, still till the next court sitting, 10th November. So this 10th November has been a thorn in the flesh of a Edochie family, Yul Edochie and Pete Edochie. His intention is to protect his son. He said, even if Queen May is not going to continue the marriage, let the matter come out from the court. They can settle it outside the court. But let Queen May still remain their daughter-in-law. How possible is that? Forgetting that before this woman decides to go into court for dissolution of marriage, she has crossed her mind. No, she has given it a deep thought. She has rehearsed it days, time without number, because she did not move into court immediately. She moved into court after the RIP of Kamblichku. You can imagine the gap. Juju Ekwensu was announced 2022 June or July, and something like that. Women moved into court around September or October 2023. You can see the long time she gave it to give it a deep thought before moving into the court for divorce. My wonderful and amazing people, and that was the greatest offense she committed to Edochie's family. That was at that point she weakened Edochie's family, because they never believed that she can do such a thing. My people, this is what is on ground right now. Fear of 10th November is really affecting Edochie's family, and they are still doing their underground work. I don't know how they managed to believe that at this point Queen May can cancel the divorce. Can you imagine? Are they dreaming? When she did not cancel it in the first week, second week, first year, 3 years now, with all the social media shenanigans, with the first child, second child, third child of their son with Juju Ekwensu, it is not possible. My people, what do you think about this? Please drop your constructive opinion on the comment section. Like and share this video. Share as many as you can. See you in my next update. Thank